One of the easiest ways to make your campervan way more spacious is by adding a swivel seat. But is it actually worth it?
And today we installed one and it's made a massive difference. We have a whole new space to relax. Let's show you how we did it.
So when it comes to reasons why we decided to install the swivel seat, we always wanted an access to the front cab. Because we don't have a partition wall, that brings us to benefit number one, which is maximizing usable space. Turning around the passenger seat instantly makes the living space way more bigger and way more functional, making a small van feel way bigger without any major modifications. Second benefit, it provides a really comfortable seating option. Instead of being stuck with a fixed forward-facing seat, you gain a cozy, adjustable chair for dining, working, or just relaxing. Perfect for van life. The third benefit in our eyes that it improves the practical and social use. It makes the van layout way more social, allowing you to turn the seat around facing the living area rather than being separated. So let's take the seat out and let's fit that seat base. We swapped our double passenger seat to a single one quite a while ago now, but it's very exciting now that we finally have our swivel base delivered, and we would like to give a really big shout out to Jennings Seats. If you're looking for any seating solution, definitely check them out, because I'm sure you're gonna find what you need and they can definitely help you out. So what we got in the box, I haven't even unboxed it yet, as you can see, so let's grab a knife. Let's not scratch the worktop. Here we go. They also supplied the fixings. We also have some instructions with the fixings. I got it for a second, but good. There we go. So first job, obviously, is to remove the seat off the base. And to do that, it's really not that difficult. All you need to do is remove 5 bolts, which you can find in each corner, and one of them has teeth, using a T40 socket and some sort of ratchet. So let's do it. Great. So once all the fixings are removed, you can either remove the seat belt as well, but in this case I'm just gonna leave it bolted on, and I'm just gonna remove the seat with the seat belt. And you can just put it on the side. Now we just need to put the seat base on. So I assume the handle should be on the right side and everything's lining up perfectly. We ordered fixings together with the swivel base. That should be nice and simple. Just need to turn it 45 degrees so we have an access to these holes. We fit these brand new bolts in the back corners. At the front here, we need to use just the hex bolts. Okay, so now that the swivel base is fixed, put the seat back on and fix the seat onto the swivel base. Because the seat is actually a driver's seat, we reused this plastic trim on the side. It looks like this handle to release the swivel base is in the way, So I think we're gonna need to cut this plastic trim somehow to fit this. For now, I'm just gonna remove the actual trim piece and see what kind of adjustments he needs doing. So the seat rails have these location pins, these pins right there, that they basically slot in the holes on the seat base, but instructions tell you to either cut them off or otherwise you have to drill a new holes in the plate. So I'd rather cut them off. That's done, let's fix it. What I like about it, that these nuts are 13mm, so they fit perfectly in the rail, so you don't even need a spanner or anything. It just sits nice and snug in there. That's just like that, it's fixed. Now I just need to figure out where I need to cut this trim. Did you see what just happened? Yeah, this trim needs to be trimmed a bit more. I think all this bottom section needs to come off basically. So yeah, might be not the prettiest job, but we really don't care. You don't even notice like things like that. So, job's done. Now, just need to test it. You want to sit down, don't you?
Oh,
yeah.
Lovely.
Obviously, Emily just tested it, and
yeah, it's nice. It feels like the van's so much bigger because I can see so much more of it.
one of the biggest benefits of the swivel seat is just how much your living space increases. So what I'm thinking now, we need to get one of these swivel table plates and fix it somewhere so we can have a table here as well. So
yeah, so it's like effectively two workspaces, or two.
And we also, let's say, like
whatever.
At the moment, if we make our bed, we use the table. So in that case, if the bed is made, you can still leave the table here.
And also for couples like us, is that Aramis is more of a night owl than me, so it also means that if he wanted to edit or do something but I wanted to go to bed, I can still go to bed and he's still got space to do something.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So yeah, I'm gonna have to have a look into that. But apart of that, I'm really pleased how it turned out.
Me too. You did a good job with that.
So we just grabbed some fish and chips. We just came to Josh Bay.
This is that same spot that you might have seen in a few
Yeah.
clips that lots of camper vans like. It's just a nice spot to pull up, have some food, chill for a bit, and then do whatever.
I hope anyone found this video useful, and if you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, and we're gonna see you on future videos.
Bye!
Bye!